This is Parrot saying hello. And dancing is dancing. Let's dancing. Let's dancing. Let's dancing. Look, he's happy. Hello. Make him dance, Milo. Come in and dance. Hello. What you doing? Hello, pretty. Go ahead and dance. Say something. Hello. That one don't speak?
Hi.
Oh.
Hello. Hi. How you doing?
Hello. Hello, pretty. Hello, pretty. He's speaking more, Milo. Hello, pretty.
It's comfortable weather.
It's nice weather out here, isn't it? Oh, that thing she's only here alone.
What?
Hello.
What's that?
He don't want to speak no more. Go ahead, dance. Let's dance it. Nah, he don't want dance. Don't want to talk no more. This is all of this video. Este cotorrito dice hello en inglés. Speak in Spanish, Milo. Maybe he
don't
speaks.
speak no Spanish, man. He's a Florida bird.
It's a Florida
He
bird.
probably does speak Spanish then.
A pretty Florida bird. Hello. He's going to scratch his back. That's a smelly ball.